that camper. That's awesome. I'm on the hedge. It must be really cool.
In half a mile, turn left on Due West.
Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome to Home on the Hedge. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you, or you're interested in RV travel,
Then hang out with us for a little while and let us answer some questions. Today we're going to be visiting a tiny home builder, River Ridge Escapes in North Georgia, to look at some of their models because a lot of people that travel want a home base, and this is something that we're considering. So we're going to go look at some of their models. They're high demand. They transport all over the U.S. So hang out and let's take a look at some of their best-selling models. It's a tiny home.
it is a tiny home and it's so cute.
It is. I mean, so is it like an RV base camp or something?
This would be ideal for a single person.
Oh, absolutely. Look at it. So, okay, so this is the little bedroom, I guess.
Right, so you could put your a twin bed here. It has like a little open closet area over here.
Right. Put your mini split on the wall there.
It's your electrical panel.
All right, that's for the bathroom stuff. Oh, this is awesome.
Right, this is really cute. And then you have like a little living kitchenette area.
Right.
And the bathroom is wonderful. It's got a washer dryer in
got
it.
a mini split on this side too. Your kitchen. Oh, yep, your washer dryer combo.
Huge shower.
Love it.
I like the ceiling. I like the way that they have used stained wood. Like they stained the...
Right, it's like whitewashed.
Yeah, and then the top.
Yeah.
It's that alcohol stain. Because that's what our bathroom cabinet is.
Oh. Yeah, it's kind of groovy.
Well, this is beautiful. This is everything that you need right here.
Yeah.
Nice cabinets.
What do you guys think? And the website is River Ridge Escapes, or the name of the company, and there are a whole lot of units there that you can look at. Far more that are, here on the lot, but they're so nice looking, really. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this one has a sheet in it.
Oh, this one has a sheet in it.
So this one is new. It's called the Poppy Seed.
Oh.
It's not on the website.
Okay.
It is only $59,000.
59,000.
I don't know how many square feet it is, but most of them average around 390.
Something like that, yeah.
But I would think that this one's probably more like a 360 because they're kind of short compared to. I don't know. Hard to tell. So this one is really cute. You walk in, you've got your living space, you got a little dinette area.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Lots of counter space. Pantry. This one has a stack washer and dryer.
This is really nice. I like the, yeah.
So it's big, a big bathroom with a tub.
It's got a tub.
I love a bathtub.
Yeah, stackable unit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right. Oh, look at the closet, a walk-in closet.
The walk-in closet is beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, it's huge.
These are so nice. I mean, I don't know really what else you would.
You could fit a queen-size bed in here.
You could. It would be tight.
There would be no nightstand, but that's okay.
It would be tight, but this is they're built really nice. I mean,
you can hang a TV on the wall.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
And it's very hot outside today, but it's
comfortable
in here. So they're well insulated.
So with the mini splits,
yeah,
they're gonna be you're gonna be in pretty good shape. That's a little narrow right there, but the Poppy Seed.
I tell you what I love about these tiny homes is that I mean, it's a house.
Yeah.
because they're built out, fully furnished, electrical, appliances, everything. They're just really ready to move in.
Yeah, it's kind of like a park it, stake it down. And
right, so it's not like, you know, those other homes that you build on your own lot kind of thing, and then you spend 3 times as much money.
No, I mean, like if you have a nice level lot, they wheel these in.
And this is a great alternative to a mobile home, you know, because it's a lot better built, because it's built with house materials.
Right. Well, and we are trying to, you know, figure out what in the future we're going to do and what we're going to have as a home base. So that's why we're here looking at these, because it'd be nice to have a place, you know, when we come back into town, if we're traveling or whatever, to be quote unquote home. And then when you're gone, I mean, if this is set up in one of their communities, which we'll look at in a little bit, they have several communities, and I think there's a couple that are not far from here. Maybe we can actually drive through.
Oh, that'd be great. 1
or 2. You can rent it out Airbnb while you're gone, and always have a place to come back.
Right.
And it doesn't have to be a giant house. So.
No, and you know, one thing 2020 taught us is you need to have alternative plans.
Absolutely.
So you just never know whether your health takes a turn or you know, everybody's circumstances change. So you can have a home base and then have your RV still with you.
Love it.
Yes.
All right. Let's go look at the far one over there.
Yeah.
The far one. So this one over here, you will see on the website. And we're going to try to go look inside this one as well in just a little bit. Oh, gonna get run over. It's sold and locked up, but they said they'd unlock it for us to look in.
So that we can show you guys.
Yeah, that's right. So this one, I can't remember the name of it. It's either like the Bass or the something, but look, it's got a outside fireplace with a spot for a TV above the fireplace. Just gonna kind of back up here to get a good view of it.
Okay, so this one is called the Bass.
The Bass, I thought so.
Right, and it's 399 square feet, and it is a 1-bedroom, no loft.
Check it out. So, little outside area with the fireplace.
Right, and then your living room is just right here too, so you can have a fire going and enjoy it from the house.
Yeah. We'll see.
Oh, this is really cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I like this, yeah.
So I love your little built-in entertainment center.
Right.
Here. Nice place to throw your keys down, your pocketbook. I like the galley kitchen.
Yeah. Nice cabinets.
Nice cabinets, I mean, nice wood countertop.
These are very expensive cabinets. Like, these are solid wood, knotted hickory cabinets.
I was about to say, they look like they're hickory.
Yeah.
It's got a place for your dishwasher.
Yep, right there. Put
Large
the dishwasher in.
Double farm style sink. It's
great.
fiberglass. A place for your stackable washer and dryer.
Yeah. Got your.
Oh, I do like this bathroom.
What is this?
That's the bedroom.
Oh, nice. Okay. Now, see, this is a big enough bedroom.
So the only problem I see with this is that you would have to put your bed on that wall.
Yeah, you would. There's a mini split up above. Electrical panel.
I love the built-in furniture because that really reduces the amount of wasted space.
Yeah, this is
You
really
know.
cool. All the hookup stuff there. Barn doors, closet doors.
I like that you can access the deck from both sides.
Oh, yeah, right out to the front deck. Oh, nice. It's got a nice shower.
They have blinds built into the doors. They have like those thin shades.
Right. It's a nice shower.
This is a very nice shower.
And vanity. So they have, like I said, it's River Ridge Escapes. A River Ridge Escape. And there are a lot of options.
Yeah, some of these layouts, I really like this one. The carp.
The carp, ADM.
The carp.
Carp.
That's usually what we pull out of Lake Altoona.
The carp.
The carp.
Carpe diem.
Or that you feed when you go to Captain Anderson's.
Was that the carp over there?
No. Oh, that might be the,
Is that Le Carp?
no.
No, that's
All right,
okay.
thank
Which model is this?
This is the Sea Breeze.
The Sea Breeze. Okay.
Now, is there
Sellers.
Yeah.
somewhere that they keep these, or are they like built to order? If you,
Built to order right
Yeah.
now because we're high demand and low stock.
I
That's
bet
a
you
good
are.
problem.
You
It
guys
is
are busy.
good.
Are the
It is.
communities? Are they close by here?
Yeah, we have some 5 to 15 minutes from here.
Okay, because we want to go by. Are we able to drive through and look at those?
The one you can go to is Minto Mountain Escape because it's ungated.
Okay.
And you can drive through there. and
Oh,
look
perfect.
around.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is beautiful. And this is the Sea Breeze.
The Sea Breeze. Uh-huh. She said this was their top selling model.
Oh, this is absolutely beautiful.
Oh, so you have a fire. There's a fireplace.
Okay,
Right
fireplace
there,
back
the electric
And this
fireplace.
one, guys, is sold, and they're just letting us walk through it right quick to get an idea.
It's a nice U-shaped kitchen with
Oh, I like that.
a little dishwasher.
See,
The refrigerator is kind of off to the side. It's cool.
not necessarily in the way. Stackable
No,
washer and dryer.
Nice size bathroom.
Oh yeah,
Linen closet or pantry.
it's a really hard shower.
So this could be your linen closet or a pantry.
Absolutely. Look, I mean, this shower has like seats on both sides. So nice. All insulated, energy efficient windows.
So this is cute. This unit does have a loft, so you could make this a bedroom or an office. It has a
Your bed
pocket
would
door.
go this way, and then these are the doors that would hang up for the closets. It's got the built-in drawers there. Oh, I'm hung up. It's caught me. All right. And I tell you what, I do like. I tell you one thing I do like before we talk about the loft. Is this big stack of windows right there.
That's very nice.
It lets so much natural light in. Beautiful. All right. What you think about it?
So as a 50-year-old woman, I'm not a fan of these stairs to the loft. So loft
Right.
is not really in our,
I don't think
just because we're going to be older.
a lofted model would be something that we would want to look at, but you never know for storage, but with different steps. But
Well, you can just see the pitch on these steps
oh, it's
with me standing on it. And,
It's-
so for me to walk up it, I have to hold the rail. There's plenty of room to sit up here.
yeah. I mean, you could put storage up
You
here.
could put a bed up here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be able to go to bed up here, but
Go to bed. I can't. Yeah, so I don't think that a lofted model is necessarily in our future.
No, and we like to sleep cold too. So
Yeah,
this would be really hot.
It would be warmer. I think it would be comfortable, but I mean, because this is, it's a very steep pitch. But I will tell you, okay, and I've been around construction my entire life, and I build things, and these are built exceptionally well. Turn around, dear.
I am turning around. See, this. I have to get up to pee in the middle of the night, and I would die.
So one thing you should be, mindful of is that RV living, full-time RV living, part-time RV living, tiny home living is not a cure for marital problems or relationship problems. It's definitely going to highlight those things and bring them to the surface because of the confined space, that you're in.
Right, there's no place to hide. So you have to kind of deal with each other and communicate and just be in each other's space all the time.
Yeah, there's nowhere to run. So
that's the one thing that I love about RV life and living and the idea of tiny home living is that you have to share that space, so therefore you have to work on your relationship.
yeah, this is it. This is the Mintoin Mountain Escape tiny house neighborhood. Well, they got lots over here, yeah. So that one's slot 4 sold. This is our cul-de-sac here. I guess they got one. Oh, this got one going in down here. Cutting all those new lots out there.
Well, it looked like they really go back there.
Yeah.
Well, these do.
Well, I wonder what is that? Is that the hooping crane model?
And that one there is still available too. That one, that's a pretty big spot.
Those are pretty nice.
I'm not even nice. Don't let me have the camera.
Won't let Mel have the camera.
But, okay, so they are saying that these are customizable and that they are built to order.
Yeah, they're built to order.
So they don't have anything in stock, so I guess you can customize
everything.
Even all the way down to the number of windows you
flooring, the windows, the window type, the roof color, the siding type, everything. The fixtures, in the bathroom, everything you can customize.
Well,
I don't know what else to say about it. Look at that. That's kind of good setup.
That's beautiful. She's amazing. So I just love the whole lifestyle of tiny living because you've reduced your space and your footprint,
right,
and you've reduced the amount of clutter.
The
older I get, the less clutter I want.
I need. Mm-hmm. So it's becoming a big thing. It's becoming a big trend. A lot of people are doing it, and I think it's going to continue. All right, guys. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the look around the little neighborhood and River Ridge Escape
and learning about tiny home communities.
Absolutely. So this is so we'll put the all their information in the description below, and a link to the website where you can find all the models.
Let us know what you think about tiny home living.
Right.
Leave us a comment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell.
And check us out at www.homeonthehitch.com.
That's right. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Until next time, take care of each other, love each other,
and make every moment count.
See you next time, guys.